Today, I will show you how to replace the Serpentine belt on a Volkswagen Polo 1.2 TSI. Let's start. Open the bonnet and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Use a 15mm spanner or socket and a ratchet on the belt tensioner. Turn the tensioner clockwise to release the belt tension, and then slide the old belt of the pulleys. Remove the old belting. Compare the new belt with the old one to make sure it's the same length and rib count. Install a new belt. Follow the diagram shown to route the belt around the pulleys and leave the tensioner pulley for last. To install the belt, use 15mm socket and ratchet, pull the tensioner clockwise, and slide the belt over the last pulley. Slowly release the tensioner and double check that the belt is properly seated on all pulleys. Reconnect the battery, start the engine and watch the belt in motion. It should run smoothly without any noise or vibration. Well done! You've successfully replaced the Serpentine belt on your Volkswagen Polo 1.2 TSI. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you.